Buddy Stacks. I run the Multistate Transmission in Haltom City, Texas. I've been with this since 2006, so 13 years. Our main philosophy is just do the right thing. What I always tell people, we're going to do the right thing. We're going to make sure that your car is fixed correctly and that we get it back to you in a timely manner. And we go the extra step. Once we're done servicing the vehicle, we have them washed. We pick the customers up, take them home. So we set ourselves apart from our competitors and also with the length of time that we've been in business, because a lot of the shops around us have a lot of turnover. With John being in business for 37 years, that's a selling point, you know. So that's something I'll have to overcome whenever I take it over. But you know, that's one of the things that is our strength, is because you know we have a lot of shops that refer to us, so we can tell them, we can give you references. If you call any of the shops around, or I do get people come in all the time saying, you know, when I ask them, you know, who referred you? Everybody. Okay, can you be a little more specific? Well, I called this shop, they recommend you. I called this shop, you know, so that's where we get a lot of our, you know, to know to bring it to us, because we have all the recommendations from a lot of the shops. That we go on that premise of doing the right thing. And what I tell them is we're going to make sure the vehicle's fixed correctly, and it's not going to leave here until it is up to our specification. Because we want to make sure that you have a good experience, that the vehicle's fixed correctly, and that you don't have to come back.